Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to show you how to make Korean fried chicken. First, we're going to start by making the chicken. While we do that, let's go ahead and get our oil for frying the chicken ready. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Clean the kimchi, then cut off the top part of the kimchi and the bottom part. After that, cut the kimchi into little cubes. You don't have to be too precise with cutting the kimchi because it's gone. Be mushy anyway after you boil it. We're going to be using the whole cabbage leaves. So we remove the brown outer leaves until we get to the nice green inner leaves. Once we get to the inner leaves, we're going to rinse it. Then pat it dry with paper towel and place it on our steamer. Steam the cabbage leaves for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once they're done steaming, take them out. Place them on a bowl and then add some sesame oil and salt. Mix it all together and let it cool down. Next, get a pot of water to a boil. Add the kimchi and boil it for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, take it out, place it in a bowl and then mash it up with a fork. 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black vinegar. Get a bowl of ice water and then add the jalapeno. Let it sit in the ice water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Go ahead and serve the Korean fried chicken with the kimchi and jalapeno on top of the lettuce leaves. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button below and leave a comment. Subscribe to the channel and we'll see you in the next video, and that's how you make Korean fried chicken. After that, take it out and pat it dry with some paper towel. Then cut the jalapeno in half and remove the seeds. Once the seeds are removed, slice the jalapeno very thinly. If you can't find fresh jalapeno, you can use the pickled jalapeno that you get from the Korean grocery store. 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Get a pan on low heat. Add 1/2 cup of water and then add the sugar mixture. Keep stirring until the sugar is fully dissolved. Next, add 2 tablespoons of ketchup and continue stirring. Keep stirring until the ketchup is fully mixed in. Once the ketchup is fully mixed in, pour it on top of the chicken, and toss it to coat the chicken in the sauce. We're going to be using neutral oil like canola oil or rice oil. Get about 3 cups of oil in a large pot or Dutch oven. Then put it on medium heat. We're going to fry the chicken twice. It's the first time we fry the chicken. We're just going to fry it for about 6 to 8 minutes. But we fully cook it through, because we fry it again later. So we just want to lightly toast it and add some color to the chicken. Be careful not to overbeat the chicken or else it's going to be tough. Once the chicken has a nice golden brown color to it, then we're going to take it out and let it cool down for a second. I have 2 chicken legs, so I'm going to cut them up into smaller pieces. Cut up the chicken, then season with salt and pepper. Now, the reason why we're frying this twice is because when we fry it the second time, the chicken will be fully cooked through and the outside will be nice and crispy and juicy inside. Once the chicken is done, we're going to take it out. Place it on a wire rack to drain any excess oil, and then serve it on top of some lettuce leaves with a side of kimchi and jalapeno. Next, add 1/2 cup of potato starch and 1/4 cup of rice flour. Get your gloves on and mix it all together really well. The starch and flour will help the chicken stick together and make it nice and crispy. Next, we're going to let it rest for 30 minutes. Next, we're going to get ready to make our sauce. Next, we fry the chicken again for about 6 to 8 minutes on medium heat until the chicken is cooked through and it's nice and crispy. Next, let's make the kimchi. Next, let's make the jalapeno. And finally, let's get our cabbage leaves ready. Once everything is cool, thank you guys for watching.